Hey guys, I just finished cleaning out this big old wad of hair out of this wheel, and I realized, oh, I probably should share this. This would be good for people online. So if you have a Shark nozzle, this is the Duo Clean nozzle here. You have two little wheels here on each side, and here and here. And this one is super easy. You know, you can just pop it right out like this, you know. The other one is not. You cannot just get in there and pop this wheel out. So I wanted to show you guys how to get this wheel out to clean it and prevent this from happening. So this wheel basically got jammed up with hair, and this is how much I pulled out of it. So all of that hair got jammed up in there. It kept this wheel from spinning, and then you can see this, it's got several flat spots from just stopping and just skidding across the floor because of all of that buildup. Of course, you can't get these wheels, unfortunately. You know, if anybody comes across anything that fits, feel free to share in the comments. But I want to show you how to get to this. So if you do have a Shark Duo Clean nozzle, you can do this on a regular basis and potentially keep your wheel from doing this. So, all right. Now, what you will need actually a special tool, because unless your model doesn't have it, because these screws are what's called security Torx. They require a Torx screwdriver, if you can look there, that has a little hole in it, and because there's a pin that keeps, it's designed to prevent you from just being able to put a normal Torx in there and turn it. You may be able to get one in there. This one actually, this is a non-security one, and it actually makes it in there just far enough to where it can turn, but that's not always a guarantee. So anyways, you need to get a security Torx if you're going to do this. You can find them at the hardware store. This one here is a size 15, and this is what fits this one. So I have seen some Sharks that don't have security Torx, so yours may not have this, but you're going to just have to figure that out for yourself. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to take out this screw right here, and it's the longer one, and then there's a little cover here. Is pretty tricky, but in fact I kind of broke it off, unfortunately. Sometimes that's the only way you can get these little tabs out, but it's just held in by little clips on each side. So not sweating it too much here. I try to do my best getting little things out like this without breaking them, but sometimes you can't avoid it. So all right, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pop this little cover piece, and you're going to take that off, and you're going to get a small flat screwdriver, and right in here is where you want to start prying, and there's a clip. Once I get this off, I'll be able to show you exactly where the clips are, and that will be helpful, so you can know like where to put your screwdriver. All right, so I'm just prying here and then over here, and then down under this side here like that, and right there. Okay, and let me show you where these clips are. So you have one right here, you have one right here, and this is the top. So you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have 3 up top that are just clips holding it in place. Once you get that cover off, you can literally just pull this wheel out, and you can clean out. It actually has bearings, which is kind of cool, but make sure those are spinning freely. But you can clean that out, and then you just put them back in. All right, so now that you've got your wheel cleaned out, now you can see from this angle, you can actually see how bad it got. It was skidding and jammed. It actually wore out a pretty decent amount of tread because of that. So you can hopefully avoid this by doing this regularly. But once you get everything cleaned out, and you can just slide this back on top. Just kind of keep an eye on this little brush here, and then just line everything up, and then make sure your axle's lined up, and then just push it in, and it pops back in like that. And then just put your screws back in. Your short one here is on this side, and then your long one is down here. There you go. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you think. Hope you guys have a great day, and Merry Christmas.